I'm Garrett Lang, the Senior Director of Mountain Operations here at Deer Valley Resort. A major milestone in Deer Valley's expansion came to life this past weekend as we brought in a Chinook helicopter, a twin-engine workhorse capable of lifting up to 26,000 pounds, to fly towers for the East Village Gondola. Once complete, the gondola will stretch nearly 3 miles with a haul rope measuring 31,700 feet, supported by 40 towers and carrying 142 cabins. The ride will take 14.5 minutes from East Village to Park Peak, with a mid-station stop at Big Dutch where guests can get off or stay on to continue to Park Peak. It will transport up to 3,000 people per hour, instantly delivering you from the base of East Village to high alpine terrain. A project of this scale takes a massive effort. We had over 50 people working across 4 specialized crews to install towers, cross arms, and the sheave assemblies. It was incredible teamwork and impressive to see. The cabins will detach from the haul rope and be stored underneath Park Peak Lodge when not in use, allowing us to protect them from the elements and maintain them more easily. Watching the towers fly in against the Wasatch backdrop was something special. It's a powerful reminder that the vision for expanded excellence is coming to life, one lift tower at a time.